guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for the second week of this ad cycle. There are still so many deals to pick up using the 10 of 30 CRT. Just like last week, I will explain each deal by itself, and at the end of the video, I put together some options to guide you. Don't forget to check the description box for a link to a printable Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I'll start with is buy 2 get 5 back on Aveeno Babies, Kids, Hand and Body Lotion, or Bath and Shower. And I have two options for this deal. The first option is to pick up one Aveeno lotion on sale for buy one get one half off, and is priced at $11.99, and one Aveeno body wash also priced at $11.99. Since both items are the same price, it won't matter which one the buy one get one half off will come off of. One will be full price and the second one will be $6. The two items will total $17.99. Use a $3 digital coupon for the body wash and a $3 digital coupon for the lotion. The two coupons will take off $6 and you pay $11.99, get 5 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Aveeno baby wipes priced at $6.29 each. The two will total $12.58, pay the $12.58 and you get 5 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. Is buy 2 any lubricant, you get $5 back, and they are on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up 2 lotions priced at $11.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $6. The two will total $17.99. Use a $3 digital coupon and you pay $14.99, get 5 back, making them $9.99 or $5 each. My next deal is on Palmolive skincare. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2 Palmolive cocoa butter cream priced at $7.99. And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4. The two will total $11.99. Pay the $11.99 and you get 6 back, making them $5.99 or $3 each. My next deal is buy Bag Balm 8-ounce moisturizer, you get $3 back. Pick up one priced at $13.49. Pay the $13.49 and you get 3 back, making it just $10.49. The next deal I have is spend 25 get 10 back on any Aveeno facial care. Pick up 2 Aveeno face cream priced at $14.79. The two will total $29.58. Use a $5 Aveeno digital coupon and the 10 of 30 beauty or personal care CRT. The $29.58 is within the 98% rule to use the 10 of 30. The coupon and the CRT will take off $15 and you pay $14.58, get 10 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on any Avatar facial care. Pick up 2 Avatar facial masks priced at $3.29 each. The two will total $6.58, pay the $6.58 and you get 3 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. And if you can find the Avatar You Go Cocoa Mask, they are on clearance for 65 cents, and if you need a filler item for your 10 of 30 CRT, this will be a very good addition. The next facial care deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on any ESW beauty facial care. Pick up 2 facial masks priced at $4.99 each. The two will total $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and get 4 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Buy any CVS brand acne care, you get $3 back. The cheapest I can find, which will also make a very good filler item for your 10 of 30 CRT, is the 5-in-1 treatment cream priced at $6.79. Pick up one, pay $6.79 and you get 3 back, making it just $3.79. Buy 2 any Nivea lip care and you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Nivea lip balms priced at $4.19 each. The two will total $8.38. Pay the $8.38 and you get 4 back, making them $4.38 or $2.19 each. All Huggies wipes are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Huggies wipes priced at $4.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.30. These two will total $6.89. Use the 50 cents digital coupon and you pay $6.39. Get 2 back, making them $4.39 or $2.20 each. The next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on any Depend or Poise adult care. Pick up 2 Poise pads priced at $7.99 each. These two will total $15.98. Use the $2.50 off Poise digital coupon and you pay $13.48 and get 7 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each pad, limit of 5. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them $4.48 or $2.24 each. The next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on participating Dial products. Pick up 2 foaming hand soap on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and it's priced at $3.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $2.39. These two will total $6.38. Pay the $6.38 and you get 3 back, making them $3.38 or $1.69 each. Last week, we had an Ibotta offer for 35 cents back, limit of 1, but mine disappeared. If you're doing this deal, check and see if you have that offer. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea facial care or men's shave products. Pick up 2 Nivea men's shave gel priced at $6.89 each. The two will total $13.78. Pay the $13.78 and you get 7 back, making them $6.78 or $3.39 each. One of the easy deals we have in this ad that I mentioned last week, and I want to mention it again in case you need it as a filler item, will be on the Colgate toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 4 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on Listerine mouthwash. Pick up 2 Listerine mouthwash priced at $7.59 each. The two will total $15.18. Use a $1 digital coupon and you will pay $14.18, get 4 back, making them $10.18 or $5.09 each. And you can also add this deal to the 10 of 30 CRT. Another easy deal you can pick up is the spend 12 get 7 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up 1 Neutrogena lip gloss priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Use $3 digital coupon and you pay $8.99 and get 7 back, making it just $8.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on any Axe body wash or shower gel. Pick up 2 Axe body wash priced at $6.29 each. The two will total $12.58. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.58 and get 4 back, and that will make both body washes just $3.58 or $1.79 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video is spend 20 get $10 back on TRESemmé hair care. Pick up 2 TRESemmé hairspray priced at $10.49 each. The two will total $20.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $16.98, get 10 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is buy Aztec healing clay, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 price at $11.49, pay the $11.49 and you get 2 back, making it just $9.49. Hall's cough drops are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 price at $3.29 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.65. The two will total $4.94. Use a $1.25 off 2 digital coupon and this coupon expires today. You will pay $3.69, get 2 back, making them $1.69 or 85 cents each. Alka-Seltzer Hangover Relief is part of buy 1 get $4 back. Pick up 1 price at $6.49. Pay the $6.49 and you get 4 back, making it just $2.49. The next deal is on the 30-count MiraFast Soft Chews. It's priced at $16.19 and it's part of buy 1 get $8 back. Pick up 1, use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $13.19, get 8 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back and that will make this pack just $2.19. Next deal is buy any Digestive Advantage and you get $4 back. Pick up 132 capsules daily probiotics priced at $14.99. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $11.99, get 4 back, making it just $7.99. The family size Nutter Butter Sandwich Cookies is on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up 2. I got a text message of 2 of 10 snacks CRT. I hope everyone have that. Using that, you will pay $8. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each pack. That means you get back $2, making these 2 packs just $6 or $3 each. The 73-ounce all laundry detergent and the 39-count mighty packs are on sale for $11.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 1 all detergent on sale for $11.99 and 1 all mighty packs on sale for $11.99. These 2 will total $23.99. Pay the $23.99 and you get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on the detergent and $2 back on the mighty packs. These are 2 different Ibotta offers and it means you get $4 back from Ibotta, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next deal I have is on the 34-ounce per sale detergent. They are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, limit of 1, and that will make them $9.48 or $4.74 each. 20-ounce Palmolive dish soap is on sale for $2.79, no extra care box back. Pick up 1. Use the $1 digital coupon and you pay just $1.79. 35-count Lysol disinfecting wipes is on sale for buy 1 get 1 free and is part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 and is priced at $5.99. Use the $1 off Lysol digital coupon and you pay $4.99, get 3 back, making them $1.99 or $1 each. The 12 rose gold tissues is on sale for $10.99 and is part of spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. Use a 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19.98, get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. Next deal I have is spend 30, get 10 back. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, 1 small Tide on sale for $5.49, Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99, and lastly 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $5.49. These 4 items will total $32.96. Use a $3 digital coupon for the big Tide, $1 off Tide digital coupon for the small Tide, $3.50 off Downy digital coupon, and $1 off Gain coupon from Coupon24 app. 4 coupons will take off $8.50 and you pay $24.46, get 10 back, making them $14.46 or $3.62 each. I found some Pixie facial cares on clearance that you can pick up on its own or you can add them to the 10 of 30 CRT. The first one will be the Glow Tonics, originally priced at $14.99. It's on clearance for $2.99. And the Vitamin C Tonics, originally priced at $14.99, but now it's on clearance for $7.49. The next one is the Beautify, originally priced at $24.99, but it's on clearance for $7.49. The next 3 is the Derma E products. The anti-wrinkle serum is originally priced at $19.99, but now it's on clearance for $3.99. And the next one is the anti-wrinkle oil, originally priced at $21.99, but it's on clearance for $6.59. And the last one is the Plum Eyebrow Razor, originally priced at $6.29, but it's on clearance for $1.88. Let's get into the options I have for the 10 of 30 CRT. The first option, I will be combining the buy 2 get 5 back on Aveeno lotions and the buy 2 get 6 back on Palmolive skincare. The Aveeno products are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and the lotion is priced at $11.99 and the body wash is also priced at $11.99, so one of them is going to be the half off. That means one will be $11.99 and the second one will be $6. And the Palmolive Cocoa Butter Cream is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off too and is priced at $7.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $4. These 4 items will total $29.98 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Aveeno lotion and a $3 digital coupon for the Aveeno body wash. The 10 off CRT will also apply here. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $16 and you pay $13.98, get $5 back for the Aveeno deal and $6 back for the Palmolive deal. That will end up making them just $2.98 or 75 cents each. For the second option, I'm going to combine the spend 20 get 10 on TRESemmé hair care and buy 2 get 4 back on Axe body wash. Pick up 2 TRESemmé hair sprays priced at $10.49 each and 2 body wash priced at $6.29 each. These 4 items will total $33.56. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the TRESemmé and the 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Axe body wash. Add the 10 off 30 CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $19 and you will pay $14.56, get 10 back for the TRESemmé deal and $4 back for the Axe deal. That will end up making them just 56 cents or 14 cents each. For the third option, I'm going to combine buy 2 any lubricant, you get $5 back, and spend 12 get 7 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up 2 lubricant lotion on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and it's priced at $11.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $6. And pick up 1 Neutrogena lip gloss priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule of spend 12. These 3 items will total $29.98. Use a $3 digital coupon for the lubricant and a $3 digital coupon for the Neutrogena lip gloss and the 10 off 30 beauty CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $16 and you pay $13.98. Get 5 back for the lotion deal and 7 back for the lip gloss. That will end up making them just $1.98 or 66 cents each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.